Hi everyone. I just would like to show you in this video the latest version of Heron Copier with its updated dashboard and the connector app. But let's just start with the installation steps. First thing first, of course, you'd have to download the copier, right? You can download the copier by clicking this button right here. It doesn't matter if it says free version. If you have a license, you can just put your license key, which will unlock the extra features. For now, you can just click this button, which will trigger the download on the browser. So let's wait a bit until it is fully downloaded. Right, so once the file is downloaded, what you can do is that you can just extract this folder. I've done that before, and I did extract the folder to this desktop folder, which I would suggest you to do this the same as well, because it will make it easier for you to refer to the file later on, in which where in case you'll need to reinstall the copier. For now, let's just open this folder and then just run this MSI installation file, which should install the copier or the connector app really quick. Now, once the connector app is opened, like so, you'll be presented with this default welcome page. This welcome page, it consists of three different steps which you can run in order to configure and to monitor your accounts afterwards. So I would suggest you to really go through each steps one by one. So for now, let's go with the first step. So this first step is required so that all your terminals that you have, specifically MT4, MT5, and cTrader, will have the files that the copier needs. So you can just click on this button right here, and once the button is clicked, you will see this confirmation window. And in this confirmation window, you'll be able to see how many terminals that were successfully installed with the copier, right? So now we are done with the first step. We can go back again to the welcome page, and then we can proceed with the next step, which is the second step on adding the accounts. Um, Unfortunately, this is weekend, and I can't test too many accounts because some of the prop firms and brokers, they just simply do not allow crypto trading during the weekend. But I have prepared three accounts that I would like to use for this demo. One MT5 account will be used as the master account, copying to two slave accounts. They are one cTrader account and one MatchTrader account. So let's just go ahead setting up our first account, which is MT5 master account. So I'm going to click this option right here. And when you click MT5 or MT4 platform on the add account menu, you'll be presented with the options on which instance that you would like to use uh, with the copier. In this case, I have two different installations folder in which I have installed MT5. And I'm just going to click this one for now because this is the one that I have prepared. Now I'm going to click select, and the connector app will ask you if you would like to use this instance as the master or slave account. I'm going to choose master for now. So you'll be presented with this configuration window, and supposedly all these fields should be blank, but because I have used these accounts before, that's why some of the fields are pre-filled already. I'm going to click launch for now, and what does this button do is that when this is pressed, the connector will launch the MT5 terminal with the pre-configured settings. So let me do it, and we will be able to see the MT5 being launched soon with pre-configured MT5 master copier EA running like so. Okay, it seems that I have running positions. Doesn't matter. We will close it later. So once the EA says the server is running, you can expect to see the accounts on the dashboard. So it just simply means that the master account is ready to copy the trades to the slave accounts. And of course, currently we don't have any slave accounts. So whatever trades that you made on your MT5 will not affect anything, right? Because it is not connected to any slave accounts. Right. So I'm going to close these positions now because I would like to start with the fresh session. Let me just do it now. Right. So the position is closed. I mean, I can always close it from the terminal itself, but you can also do it from the skill switch button anyway. Next, let's go with the second account, which is our cTrader slave account. And for cTrader, you'd have to configure some settings manually because, well, this is the limitations from the platform. So if you use a cbot, then you'd have to run the copier. You'd have to run the configurations manually, unfortunately. So now the cTrader platform is launched. What you can do is that you can just simply hover to this icon right here and select Heron Copier Slave. Again, I have running positions. It was probably from my previous session, but it doesn't matter. Um, I'd have to add one configuration here because the symbol names are different between the account on the MT5 with the one that I have on my slave cTrader account. So this setting simply means that the BTC USDT pair will be copied as BTC USD pair on cTrader because on cTrader there is no BTC USDT symbol. So as you can see right here, it's called BTC USD without a T, right? So I'm going to click apply for now and have it connected. I'm going to just close this manually for now. So once the connection status has switched to connected, then I can expect to see the accounts being added to the dashboard. So let's just wait a bit. It may take something like 5 to 10 seconds. Never mind, it's there. Right. Let's go with the third account. Again, just click on the add account and then choose match trader in this case. I'm going to select slave, and this will open a separate application for connecting to MetaTrader accounts as slave account. Now, you're supposed to fill all these fields manually, the credential fields, which your prop firm or broker has given to you already. But in this case, I have already saved my profile. So what I can do is that I can just simply load the profile easily and then just click on this button to start the EA. Once this button has turned green, you'll be able to see your accounts here soon. So it's there. Again, I have running positions. I'm going to just close the positions for now. Right. So once I have closed all positions, then I can expect to see nothing in open positions window right here because, well, there is no position running at all. Anyway, I have set up one master account copying to two slave accounts. What I will do now is that I will try to make some test trades on the master account to see if everything is copied, right? So because this is weekend, I can only test crypto pairs. So let's just open the BTC USD pair for now. And let's make some trades for testing. So one sell position, 0.01 lot, and I think it's copying to other slave account. Else, then of course the floating position will stay flat, right? You can double check it, of course, by going to the terminal one by one, like so. But I would prefer to do everything from the dashboard. So you can just click this button right here, which will open the the trade information, the running trade information on each platform. So for cTrader, I have one position running. It's a sell 0.01 BTC USD pair. The same goes with the match trader slave account as well. So it seems that it is copied perfectly. I'm just going to just open more positions. So now we should have four sell positions on BTC USD. And just for the sake of testing, I'm just going to put one position to set one position with a take profit, like so, right? So four positions and one with a take profit. So again, let's go to the connector app and let's just query um, the result exactly, sell positions, and then sell position as well with one take profit, and the same goes for the um, the second slave account, which is my trader slave account. Um, right, I think that's it. It's really easy to set up. Again, just follow the guides. You can install EA on the installer tab, and then afterwards add your accounts. Make sure to fill all the credentials properly, and then you can go to the dashboard to actually monitor and control your accounts as well. Um, since I have running trades, I will just close everything from my master account. Of course, I can close everything from the terminal, like so, but I can also do it from here. So I will close the position on the master account, which should trigger the closing of the positions on the connected slave accounts. So now once I have clicked this button, you will see all these trades. They all get closed on the cTrader slave account, and our slave accounts now has flat positions. They don't have any position anymore. Of course, you can have as many accounts as your VPS can handle. Currently, I have only three connected accounts, but I know that some of our users they have something like 30, 40, or even 50 connected accounts located in different VPSs. Um, all right, I think that's all. Thank you very much, then. Bye bye.